Here's a 10-inch Handybreeze table fan from probably the 1950s. This is yet another fan that I thought deserved a more updated video. I got it at Fan Meet for 15 bucks, and it's in pretty good shape. Only thing wrong with it is that it needs a new cord, because this one is falling apart. It's an animal or something had chewed it right there, so I taped it up, and the plug is chipped. That's why I haven't plugged into this thing, because I'm not going to take any chances. And the reason I haven't replaced it yet is because I want to keep the original cord on it, because I don't really use this fan. It's more of a display one. But it does work very well, so I will turn it on now. It's only a single speed, and it's got a beautiful startup sound. So let me angle the fan away so it doesn't blow in the camera. And here it is on. It's very quiet too. And there it is off. There's the side of it. And the back. And there's a close-up of the badge. I don't know how to focus, but... there it goes. So it's made by Chicago Electric. Focus. Come on. There it goes. So anyway, there's my Chicago Electric Handybreeze fan. Thanks for watching.